Last Monday we picked up our Israel adventures, and now we continue with a top 5. We really love the country and we like it to make a top 5 of our experiences. We don't want to make a political statement if we say Israel. We think both Jews and Palestinians have good reasons to call it their land. That said, what's in this video?
Yeah, in this video we show our 5 favorite experiences, except from the religious ones, because next week we will do a video about that specifically. And today we start in the north of Israel, in the Golan Heights. There is Mount Hermen.
Yes, I never knew that you could find snow in Israel. As you can hear, we are a little bit out of breath, but it's really heavy walking here. But man, it's worth it.
Every step you take, you're like half of the step sliding down again. So yeah, it's quite heavy.
But the landscape is really nice.
It's beautiful.
In 4 or 5 days we see like the lowest point, the lowest sea on earth, and we are walking in the snow.
The temperature is good. We're walking in t-shirts, and the light, it's just so bright, and the light is good for your brains. It's special to be in the snow now.
How is it?
Almost on the top. We enjoy the hike here. And if you have some more money to spend, you can buy a lift pass and equipment for 100 euros and enjoy a day of skiing or snowboarding. Didn't expect it in Israel.
So, nice view. Oh, yo! From Mount Hermen we travel south in the direction of Galilee. Many Israelis love to do outdoor stuff. So in the green northern part of Israel you can find lots of opportunities to put your tent. Free camping is also tolerated, but it's officially not permitted. So we arrived in the Jordan River Park. We want to spend the night here, and they're all kind of nice cozy places to put our tent. So this is the Jordan. It's like a very... Oh, there's the cow. Look at that. He seems to enjoy himself.
Had a good night.
It's a nice place to sleep. And the night was okay, yeah. In the morning I woke up, I was a bit cold. Wat maak jij?
De lepel is sterk genoeg.
And if you are in the area, don't forget to visit the Sea of Galilee, of course.
How do we get down?
The long trip south leads us to the Judean desert, and while we are hiking there, we were invited to a Bedouin settlement. Really hospitable people. And it was nice to be at this family that lives according to the tradition that is going on for centuries already.
Lachla.
What's your name? Marjolein. And your name? Hadil.
It's really nice. In some ways it feels as if we have a little peek into history. it could well be that the life didn't look too much different 6,000 years ago. Let's go. We are really grateful for the invitation and the time we spent with this beautiful family. About 50 kilometers east from here there is the Dead Sea, and where the desert meets the Dead Sea it is really beautiful. You can find many canyons and springs in this impressive landscape. So we are back on track. We had a nice breakfast, some coffee, and this is the place where we slept. It's a beautiful morning. Flying a drone is not always without risk, but luckily it survived this time, so I'm happy. Now we are not far away from our fifth highlight, the Dead Sea.
Yeah, and like everyone, we saw already many pictures of it, but still it was able to surprise us. We made it. We are at the Dead Sea. Look at this.
What is it?
Wat?
What is this?
Ik denk gewoon een aangespoeld iets van een boot waar ze op hebben gegraffitied.
Wow, that's really weird. You are really floating on top of the water for your feeling. But it's really salty. It's painful in your eyes and it's very too much in your mouth. It's fun.
I tried to get my hair better again because I forgot my brush, so it was one big rasta thing.
Wow. Really salty, eh?
Yeah. I knew that it was salty, but I didn't expect it this much.
No, it's crazy. Let's rinse with sweet water.
Yeah. Kan je mijn arm nog even?
And with this fifth highlight we come to an end of our video. And let us know under the video if we missed out an important highlight. And I'm sure we did, so let us know. And then next video, it's Monday's video.
During our time in Israel we spoke with a lot of people, Palestinians and Jews, and we talked with them about their point of view. So Monday we post a video about a compilation of that.
Yes, and it's interesting, I can tell you. And don't forget to watch Thursday's video as well. It would be easy to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell that you get a mention when we post a video, if you desire so. Thanks for watching and see you later. Peace out.